I've been in the low stress options program for 2 years. I started in November of 2023. And at the time, I'd been a small town lawyer for about 20 years. And I've been on Troy Broussard and Ben Settle's email list for about 5 years. Because of the trust I have in them, I had no hesitation in signing up. I signed up pretty quickly and went through the courses and started trading within a couple of weeks. I think it's been life-changing. Very little stress. The income that I've received from this far exceeds the income that I have from my day-to-day law practice, which I'm thrilled about. And I'm still practicing law because I'm too young to retire, and it takes so little time to trade the options program that I'd be bored to death. So no financial background. I always kind of told myself that was out of my league, that's leave that to the smart Wall Street types. You're just a country lawyer and everything's going to be all right. But I realized that it's really not rocket science. And so I just dove in and started trading. The only hesitation that I felt was just, self-doubt that I could really actually make money in options, something that was completely foreign to me. But I just kept studying and going forward and realized that anybody can do this and be successful at it. I didn't know anything about options trading. I didn't have any experience before, but just one step after the other, I learned it. I'm just in a really good place now because of the low stress options, and I couldn't be happier.
Hey, Troy here. If you want to see the complete framework and how all of the pieces fit together, sign up for my free masterclass series. It's so low stress you can do it in 1 to 2 hours a week, so low risk the government allows you to trade it in custodial accounts for children, and so effective it targets up to 68% returns per year. Just click the link below and I'll walk you through everything.